Hey Eagles, it's Abby.
Hey, Mr. Meta.
Reporting for Eagle News today. Mr. Meta gave us a how-to assignment. Let's flip the book.
Let's see what we get. Closing my eyes. Should I go back in the back book or the front of the book? Which one?
Do as you please.
Choose my please. All right, here we go. How to make money. Woo! All right.
Hey Eagles, today we're going to be showing you guys how to make money.
Let's go.
Hey, we're selling t-shirts.
For only $5. One way you can make money is selling things.
You can sell things that you made yourself or resell things that you don't use anymore.
Can I buy a t-shirt?
Yeah, sure, what size?
Small.
Here you go.
Can I change?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Another way is by doing a service for someone, like tutoring, dog walking, or babysitting.
So when I was a kid, I made money two ways. I delivered 35 newspapers and then had to collect, I think it was like $2.10 every week. And then when I was old enough, I got a job. I actually worked at my grandmother's store. She owned a small craft store. I had to do that.
Lastly, if you're over 14, you can work at McDonald's, the movie theater, and also bag groceries at Kroger. Might help you.
Can you just bag this?
Yeah, of course. Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
So when I was younger, growing up, I worked for Ohio Mulch for 4 years, loading bags of mulch. And then for 14 years, I worked for Liberty Park, just on the other side of Home Road.
Biggest source of money was working at the movie theaters. When I got that job when I was 16, I worked as much as I could and made lots of money.
Thanks for watching, Eagles. Hopefully you're a billionaire now.
When you're rich, let us know so we can have some money.